Looking for a microwave oven that fits perfectly into your space without sacrificing performance? Whether you're a homeowner, apartment dweller, college student, or just someone with a compact kitchen, we've got you covered. These top picks deliver powerful cooking, sleek designs, and smart features to make your life easier. From saving counter space to heating meals faster, these microwaves are game changers. Plus, there are some exclusive deals available right now, so don't miss out on upgrading your kitchen with the best choice for your needs. Number 5. If you're tight on space but still want a microwave that delivers powerful, customizable cooking, the Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven 1.1 CU is a fantastic choice. Compact yet fully functional, this little powerhouse is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or apartments without sacrificing performance. It heats food fast with handy presets for quick cooking, and the adjustable power levels let you fine-tune everything from melting butter to reheating leftovers just right. The digital controls are super intuitive, making it easy to jump between settings, no guessing games here. Plus, its sleek design fits seamlessly on any countertop without hogging space. If you need a reliable microwave that won't clutter your kitchen but still offers serious convenience, this Chefman model is a slam dunk. Check the links, deals pop up often. Number 4. If you're looking for a microwave that combines power, style, and efficiency, the Toshiba microwave oven is a standout choice. Designed for quick and reliable cooking, this countertop microwave packs a punch with its 900W high power output, ensuring your meals are reheated or cooked faster than ever. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms, it's compact enough to fit snugly on your countertop without sacrificing functionality. The black stainless steel finish not only looks sleek but also adds durability, making it a stylish addition to any space. Whether you're a busy homeowner, a college student, or someone who just loves a tidy kitchen, this Toshiba microwave saves you time and space. Seriously, it's a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their cooking routine. Check it out, it's worth it. Number 3. If you need a small but mighty microwave, this Toshiba countertop model is seriously impressive. It's compact enough to tuck into tight spaces like dorm kitchens or studio apartments. But don't let the size fool you, it heats everything from last night's takeout to frozen meals perfectly. I love how simple it is to use with those intuitive one-touch buttons, whether you're defrosting chicken or reheating coffee. The black finish looks sleek without being a fingerprint magnet, and it somehow feels more solid than other small microwaves I've tried. Honestly, it's become my go-to for quick meals when I don't want to fuss with the stove. Just pop something in, hit a button, and you're eating in minutes. Number 2. Next up, the Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven, a game changer for small kitchens and busy lifestyles. If you need a reliable, space-saving microwave that delivers fast, even heating, this is a top pick. It's perfect for homeowners, apartment dwellers, or college students who want quick meals without sacrificing counter space. Just pop in your food, press a button, and you've got a hot meal in minutes, no fuss. What I love is how consistently it performs, whether you're reheating leftovers or cooking a quick snack. Plus, with solid customer support backing it, you can trust you're getting a dependable appliance. If you're looking for a compact, efficient microwave that won't let you down, the Toshiba is a fantastic choice. Check the links below for the best deals. Number 1. If you're looking for a microwave that combines convenience, efficiency, and compact design, the Black+Decker Countertop Microwave Oven is a top contender. Perfect for homeowners, apartment dwellers, or college students tight on space, this microwave fits seamlessly on any countertop. It's designed to save you time with pre-programmed cooking buttons for popular foods like popcorn, pizza, and more, no guessing required. With 10 power settings, you'll have the flexibility to cook or reheat a variety of dishes precisely how you like them. Need something done in a flash? The 30 seconds express cooking feature is a lifesaver for quick reheating. If you're after a reliable, space-saving microwave that simplifies your daily routine, this Black+Decker model is a smart investment. Don't forget to check for deals, it's a steal for its features. Alright, that wraps up our guide to the best microwaves for every kitchen. Whether you're tight on space, need something ultra-efficient, or just want a reliable model, one of these picks should meet your needs perfectly. Remember, the right microwave can transform your cooking experience, so don't miss out on the deals we've linked below. Thanks for watching, and happy microwaving.